Hi friends, it's Tim Schrock. Since it's the weekend, I thought I'd throw in a little bonus tip here that actually was put on to, I got informed of this by SeacoastHD, user, follower on YouTube, and I appreciate this tip. So I got looking into it. You can drag and import an image from your computer into this pattern window in Chief Architect when doing the custom pattern generator. So I'm going to change, I opened up my fish scales pattern and I did a right click edit pattern. It pulls this back up. I'm going to change this box. Now I cannot click on the dimension like this temporary dimension here. So to edit that box, so I'm just going to do a -12 back here, and let's delete all of oh, you know what's interesting? I didn't play with this before. Whatever you draw, there we go. It doesn't have to be drawn in this window to be repeating. Let's do a draw like that. Notice, so I drew it out here and it's repeating the whole thing. Interesting. This box here the repeat box must be for a guide. Anyway, I'm going to pull up this fish scale tile pattern. I just did a Google search, and let's do a Windows screenshot. So I'm going to screenshot using my Windows Shift S key, and just going to screenshot this right here. Go into Chief Architect and do a paste, Control V. And so I'm going to paste this picture right into here. It does not repeat the picture, interestingly enough. Okay, so let's make this be 12 inches wide and center that in my, if I center, come on, in my pattern here, in my pattern box, I can just I can trace this repeat pattern now. So I'm going to do a arc from here to here and copy paste. We'll do the pin, paste, paste. Like so. You'd have to find what that repeating is, because as we notice, this edge here is not synchronous with this side, so you'd have to figure that out. So that's a cool tip. You can paste a pattern into here and trace it with a picture. Now the Seacoast comments that if you have a material in the library, let's change this. Tim's patterns. I've got patterns here that I created earlier. I can edit those patterns. That's fantastic. Let's not save that. Let's not save that. But I don't find, when I go to a pattern, say in the core catalogs, let's find insulation. That's a texture, not a pattern. Tile mosaic. I cannot edit that pattern, so let's see if I let's put a backsplash on here. I can create this pattern from the texture. Is that new? Go into my library. Oh, it's pulling up these patterns here. Type fill patterns. There we go. So there's a knotty wood pattern. I still can't. I right click on this and I cannot change these fill patterns. Now this is one BLK ashlar. Show in folder. That's under user. That's also a custom pattern. So 1BLK ashlar is a custom pattern, and we can edit that one. But that's again in my user catalog. Fill patterns, basket weave. So under the core catalogs, I don't think I can edit these patterns. And these don't have patterns under the manufacturer catalogs that I've downloaded. So there you go, a little bonus tip for the patterns. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great weekend. Take care.